Avoid water pollution, or there be water, but not a single drop to drink. Water pollution is when the water is being contaminated with objects, such as plastic and some chemicals. This makes the water in our rivers and oceans unsafe. The pollutants in our oceans are a danger to marine animals, whether they are fish or not. So far, only 2.5% of the earth contains fresh water. 70% of industrial waste is dumped in water, causing massive amounts of toxic chemicals to diffuse into the water on earth. 80% of water pollution is caused by domestic sewage. Huge amounts of garbage ended up being dumped at the sea, killing many marine animals there. 250 million people succumb each year from diseases caused by contaminated water. Asia has the highest number of contaminated rivers than any other continent, mainly from human waste. Talking about human waste, almost 2 million tons of human waste are dumped into the water. There are a lot of things that are happening which cause water pollution and the water in the world to get worse. Waste created from industries and factories contain deadly chemicals that diffuse with the water. These chemicals harm all aquatic life inside it, decreasing their lifespan and their ability to reproduce, and even making up the food chain. One of the examples of toxins are mercury. If this continues, then the amount of life on water will decrease. The effects of water pollution are bad for humans' health too. Contaminated water can affect our health, causing diarrhea, skin disease, malnutrition, and even cancer. Researchers prove that more than 50 kinds of diseases are caused by poor drinking quality, including 50% of child deaths. If we don't stop water pollution from spreading, in the end, there may not be any more water to drink. Water is essential for our body, and hence if there's no more water to drink, it will be impossible to survive. This is why, from now on, we must stop water pollution from spreading and reduce water contaminations in Indonesia and the whole world. Providing clean water is a necessity to everyone, and so one way to do it is to reduce water pollution. So, what can we do to stop water pollution? We can avoid littering and dispose of trash properly. We can also stop pouring toxic chemicals down the sink or in the toilet, because it would cause water pollution. For more explanation, first of all, we should avoid littering in prohibited places including rivers, lakes, and seas. If people litter in such places, it will just pollute the water system more on Earth. Dispose into the trash, or if the trash can be reused, reuse it again or recycle it. This will reduce the amount of trash produced by people. Pouring toxic chemicals down to the sink or in the toilet can also pollute the water around it, so don't. With all these steps, we can highly reduce the amount of pollution happening in all water systems in the world, and we can take part in fixing our environment.